Hi kids. How are you today? Let's play number quiz. These are numbers from 1 till 10. These are jumbled. Let's arrange them. Which number will come first? Correct. It's 1. Which number will come after 1? Superb. It's 2. Which number comes after 2? Bravo! It's 3. Which number comes next? You are right. It's 4. What is the next number? Absolutely correct. The answer is 5. Do you know the next number? Yeah, it's 6. Which number comes after 6? Superb. The answer is 7. Which number will be the next? Correct. 8 comes after 7. Now we have 2 numbers remaining. 9 and 10. Which number comes after 8? Correct. It's 9. Now only 10 is remaining. This would be the last number. Well done, kids. You arranged all the numbers. You played very well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you again.